Ever questioned the significance of a strong social media presence in this digital era? Well, it's time to delve into the intricate world of social media and unlock the potential it holds. Step 1. Define your goals. Before embarking on this journey, understand what you want to achieve with your social media presence. Is it increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or perhaps building a community around your brand? Defining clear, specific, and achievable goals sets the foundation for your social media strategy. Step 2. Identify your audience. The beauty of social media lies in its diversity. From teenagers to grandparents, everyone is online. So, who exactly is your ideal audience? Understanding their age, interests, and online behaviors will help tailor your content to suit their preferences. Step 3. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Each has its unique features, user demographics, and content preferences. Therefore, select platforms that align with your goals and audience. Step 4. Create engaging content. Content is the king in the realm of social media. From captivating images to thought-provoking articles, your content should resonate with your audience and incite engagement. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content not only retains your existing followers, but also attracts new ones. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Social media is not a one-way street, it's a conversation. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and show your audience that you value their opinions. This creates a sense of community and fosters loyalty among your followers. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Social media trends are transient. What works today might not work tomorrow. Therefore, keep an eye on your analytics, learn from your successes and failures, and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, building a robust social media presence is a multi-step process. It starts with defining your goals, identifying your audience, choosing the right platforms, creating engaging content, interacting with your audience, and finally, monitoring your progress and making necessary adjustments. Remember, the journey to a strong social media presence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards? They are well worth the effort, granting you the power to reach millions at the touch of a button. So start building your social media presence today and unlock the endless possibilities that await you in the digital world.